Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2014 Yamaha FJR1300. This is Yamaha's full-size sport touring motorcycle. Has a 1298cc fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Very low miles on this bike. Only 6,821 miles on the odometer. This bike is fully loaded. Has navigation, electronic windshield, ABS brakes. This bike has the electronic suspension front and rear. It's been lowered 1.5 inches in the rear. Has the stock suspension as well. Frame sliders. This bike has extended warranty. Has 1.5 years to 2 years left. Transfer wool. Very smooth. Yamaha OEM hard luggage. Ready to go at only $11,999 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.